Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make an image transparent in PowerPoint. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to basically import an image that you want to make transparent in PowerPoint. So here you can see that I have this image that I will make transparent. So to do this, first of all you need to select an image. So I will just left click on my image and my image will be selected. And then at the top here you can see that when we select our image, we have this new tab which says picture format. So click on it and we have now a bunch of different options that we can do with this picture. So in here you can see this option where it says transparency. Just click on this one and we have a bunch of different transparency options. So if you don't want to, if you want a 0% transparency, this is the first one. Then we have 15%, then 30, then 50, then 65, then 80, and then 100%, 95%. Okay, so basically you can select whatever the result you want. Then we have this option here, picture transparency option, and you can basically adjust this slider here to basically decrease and increase the transparency as well. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.